when you're watching a horror movie, and if you just see the ghost, beast, or demon walking by or appearing out of nowhere, you won't be afraid. But if before it appears, strange noises are played, a spooky or uncomfortable soundtrack plays in the background, and the sounds of the environment get louder, by the time that the ghost actually appears, you already have built up fear inside you. Because that's the power of sound effects. Sound effects are the creators of amazing scenes, movies, and videos. So before putting just a song in your next video, try to play around with different sound effects.